name is Anil. I completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering from RUKT, RK Valley in the year 2023. While I was looking for a course in embedded systems, one of my friends referred IIES Institute. Without second thought, I joined there. After joining there, I learned C, C++, data structures, microcontrollers, and what are all the things required for entering into embedded industry. I learned all those things. Apart from learning, I also worked on real-time boards, and while working and learning, every faculty and IIES staff supported me and helped me to develop my skills. And not only those staff and faculty, placement team also helped me to get placed in a company called Tata Advanced Systems with a package of 5 LPA. Thank you IIES for giving me this opportunity, and thank you the faculty and support staff and the placement team for helping me to get placed in my first opportunity itself. Thank you.